What's up, guys? We back with another one. We got one from Indiana, all the way from Indiana, transport. Indiana to Albuquerque. We're gonna be doing a panoramic sunroof install on this bad boy. Check it out. It's got the Rucci steering wheel. I thought he was maybe gonna leave the wheels on, but he took them off. So we're gonna drive this bad boy to the house, turn this down, and go from there. We'll look it over when we get home. What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a Lasabre, Buick Lasabre, all the way from Indiana. Shout out to you, Derek. Transported it all the way from Indiana all here to Albuquerque, New Mexico, to Rob's Customs. We got his car in for a panoramic sunroof install. We're gonna be doing a tan suede and primer around the top of the roof. This thing is nice. It's got some nice rims. It's got the matching steering wheel. He didn't leave the rims on the car because he transported it, but he has a steering wheel on. This thing is nice. Ripping out the interior, found out it has a sickle system in it, making sure everything is disconnected before we weld in the bracket. Let's check it out. Check it out. We got the seats out, back front seats. We got the headliner out. Here's the other portion. It's got a sickle system in it. Crazy. Looks like it has hydraulics, but getting it ready for the panoramic. Check it out. It's got a 4th battery. Check out that steering wheel. Rucci. Badass. We're gonna get the center line in, start getting the part cut out for our bracket. That's my truck. Alright, guys, we're back with the Lasabre. We got everything powered up. Let's check it out. We got our top console right here, bolted in place. Our glass and our shade. Nice. Badass. Check it out. We'll stop there, hit it one more time. Got our vent mode. Check it out. This looks good. Everything's working good. No issues. Thank God. Especially this car being from Indiana. But there she is. Check it out. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put that beauty panel in here. It's a trim. It's a factory trim that goes into these Velcro strips. Little blocks, and it gives it a real OEM look, and that's what you wrap the headliner with. So I'm gonna trim it. I need to trim it a little, and then I'll install it, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Here's that piece that goes factory for the headliner. It gives that nice clean lines all the way around, and then when you put the headliner, you wrap that over it, and it gives you a nice clean OEM look, just like factory around. Nice. Alright, guys, we back with the Lasabre. Got it all done. Got the headliner finally in. We had an issue with the headliner, got lost in the mail. It was a big issue. Finally got it. We got the headliner in, got it installed. Everything's 100%. We are gonna send out the sun visors to get wrapped in the same suede so everything matches. Other than that, this thing came out badass. Let's check it out. Alright guys, back to Indiana. Transport's here. Another one done. Rob's Custom. In the Can-Am.